Can we download videos from Patreon? Hi everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. So for that, open up a browser and then head over to patreon.com. Once you are under this, on this section login, and what you need to do is from here head over to an account and locate up a video that you would like to download. For example, let's head over to this creator right here from Patreon and locate up the video. So for example, we have this video. So if you're wanting to download this video, Patreon unfortunately does not provide us a built-in feature of downloading the video itself from the website or the application. So it does not offer us a direct download function. While we have this option of share. So if you want to share the videos to other people, you can tap on the share button. And after you tap on it, it gives you option where you want to share chats or Gmail, and we also have more option. You may also copy the link if you want, and it also provides us a QR code. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.